Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Morocco. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have made this video about how to do it using a desktop or laptop browser, but now I'm showing you this how you can do it using your mobile device. So in front of you I have opened Morocco eVisa site. The very first thing we need to see if we really need a visa to enter Morocco. Okay, so put your current nationality, whatever it is. I'm just putting sample. I put India. Okay, country of usual residence, I put India. Okay, document type, I select ordinary passport. Most of the people. Are you participating in an event in Morocco? I select no. Purpose of trip, I select tourism. Do you have another valid visa? These are the visas. I select none, and now I'm checking. Submit your e-visa application to travel to Morocco. Okay, so they gave you the option. So the very first thing is to enter your email and verify the captcha and then tap on enter. I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so what it does, it sends an email to your mail account with a link. You can follow the link and you can proceed from there. So I followed the link and I reached here. So some answers were already selected. Now you need to select your date of birth. So do it as per your own case. Don't see what I am doing. Oh, just putting a sample, guys. Okay, then next. These are the terms condition. Any refused application is not refundable. I'm traveling for tourism. Read this and then do, but these are the general terms and condition for a tourist visa. Okay, next is family name, first name, date of birth, place of birth. Okay, you when you enter it, make sure you do verify and verify it at least twice with your passport so that there is no issue. Okay guys, so I have put some sample values, but when you fill your application, put real values and match everything twice. Like first is your family name, surname, then your first name, date of birth, place of birth, phone number, email, and occupation, passport details, issued by, date of issue, expiry date. So guys, but one thing guys, as I said, check it twice. Tap on next. Travel, expected date of arrival in Morocco. I'll go for expected date to leave. Let's say June. Okay. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to upload your passport. Okay. You have to upload your passport here and your photo. First is your photo, okay, then your passport. Then when you go to next, it's gonna ask you to pay. So what happens, like you can save it here, and then if you want to add more people, you may be able to, and then in the next stage you're gonna pay for the visa, and if it is approved, you're all good to go. So that is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.